Hi guys, it's Hiccup. I'm beta testing a mod pack by Dslacky called Uncharted. It's not out yet. We're still kind of in the beta testing phase right now. He's still adding mobs and he's still experimenting with different stuff. So it just started a whole new world, and we'll see how far we get. I'm gonna guess I'm probably gonna die within the first 5 minutes just because I'm not the best at this. I started about 2 months ago, so I really don't know a whole lot about like starting off Minecraft and whatnot, so this should be really interesting. My brother's actually the one that got me started on Minecraft. He was showing me a couple different things and I really thought it was really neat, and so I started on Xbox 360 and then 2 months ago just kind of started playing on a donor server, and then from there I started hanging out with the unprofessionals and kind of doing mod packs and stuff and learning different things. So that's kind of how I started. There are these flowers that always kick my butt. I just don't remember which one. Normally I pick them all, but I'm really going to try to be not conscientious, but I'm going to try to play it safe today instead of just kind of freestyling it, which is normally how I play, but I would really like to like show off this pack versus pick flowers and make different stuff. Sorry about my phone. Gotta love Twitter. So hopefully I can do my best at showing this stuff off. I'm not the best player, like I said, so if I suck, please don't leave that in the comment. I already know. I know I'm not the best, but I try to have fun all the time. Like, that's why you play games, right? It's not to like show off to everyone that you're amazing and stuff. It's to have fun. That's really the reason I started playing it, was because, ooh, what's that? Mint. And was because I was having so much fun on the donor server, and then when I started playing the mod pack and stuff, I was learning a lot and I really, really enjoyed it. You can't beat playing with friends and learning new things. Like, you just can't. Oh no, I don't want to go near the sandy stuff. Those stupid jousts are there. I was really hoping to find a village really close by. I had a seed and it was like so amazing because there was a village like right over this hill. I guess I should find water, some clean water. Look at that flower. Isn't that just cool? Like, I just think they're amazing. That's probably going to be the death of me, is, ooh, water. No. But then there's that. Where should we go? Maybe we should go that way. So then go back the way we came. The one cool thing about this mod is that when you die, you get all your stuff in a, here's the map. We've gone pretty far, but here's the gravestone you get, and you can choose which one. I like to do the best because I think it's funny. So that is that, and then I'm just gonna hit exit and get out of that. I've been told I can change all like the settings on the outside, like whoa, those look scary. What are you? Well, they're obviously not trying to kill me, so I guess they're friendly? I'm gonna walk away and hope that y'all don't kill me. Oh, goodness, you're all over the place. I'm sorry my mic is not good. I'm using my laptop to do this, so it's not the best quality of mics, and I understand that, and I apologize. Maybe I'll get one later on. Oh, I guess I can use bamboo. I don't know what for, but we can find something for them. I've been told they're good. And you can plant them and you can get a whole bunch. And I know you can make blocks out of them, so I guess that will be useful. I don't want to stay up all night this first one. I think the next night we will. Yeah, I can't go any further that way, so we might be stuck using what we have here. Let's see. I guess we can go that way. Go around. But I know these things can make chests and stuff, so that's a good thing. Oh, goodness. Chicken. I probably should find some food more than these 5 berries. Guess we'll do that as soon as we can find a good place to find a home. I guess I could try to kill the pig. I probably should get more wood. I think that's more important than anything else. We'll cut down this tree. If you would like to know more about Dslacky's pack and stuff, I'll have more descriptions in the bottom. Or underneath the video, I don't know. It's in here somewhere. And I'll give you a link to his Twitter page and some other streamers who on Twitch are actually testing out the pack as well. So you'll get to see them and kind of live stream with them, ask them questions. Whereas you just get to watch me derp around pretty much. Let's see. There's a lot of pigs. I probably should make a sword, kill them real quick. Let's just do that. Ooh, an apple. Die, piggy. Die, piggy. Oh, chicken, where'd you go? Not getting that far. Piggy! Yeah, chicken. I probably will use a different texture pack next time because there's this really cool one that I really like, and I like it because it just makes everything really smooth, and it makes the sun actually like a circle, which is different. Yeah, piggy, piggy. It'd be helpful if I could get to it. So like I said, I play it on Xbox 360, and all there was vanilla. So when I got into PC and I found out that there was lots of other things that I could do, I totally like went crazy and tried to do everything. But I'm not good at like tech and stuff, so we shall see how this works out. I need to make a cup as well. Uh-oh. What did I step on? Oh, man. See these stupid spice bushes? I'm not even sure that's what it is. It's either the spice bushes or these... I don't know. There's poison ivy around here somewhere, too. It's funny going from, like, the Mad Pack where you get everything. Like, you can get everything within the first couple of seconds. If you find a good dungeon and you just raid it real quick, versus this where you have to like strategically find stuff and like you have to work your way up to killing the like I guess I spoiled it, but you have to kill the Ender Dragon in order to use any tech stuff. So everything is vanilla pretty much. You mean you get all the other ores and stuff of being tech, but you can't use them. You can see them in the NEI. Something like that. The little thing when you hit E, you get all this stuff, whatever that thing's called. Are you a squid? Please tell me you're a squid. I heard there's a lot of new mobs, and so I'm nervous. I'm not even getting in the water for that. Nope. Oh, okay, it's definitely those spice bushes. I need to stop doing that. Come on, village. Please tell me you're around here somewhere. You're most needed. I'm gonna end up dying, aren't I? Let's see, let's check this map out. Oh no! What are you? Guess I'll go find out before we die. Might as well. right? I mean, just, yeah, this should be interesting. Ooh, I haven't seen a wolf. Please don't tell me you're mean. Oh, you're not mean. Okay. I haven't seen a wolf on here yet. It's a new one. There's a bunch of, man, I wish I had some bones, because you totally would help me out at night. Let's go check out what these patches of green things are. Oh, I should tell you now that you can't regen your health unless you have a golden apple. So, oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. I gotta find a house. I gotta find a hole. I think I'm just gonna dig a hole. Or I can make something and dump my stuff out. Oh, that's exciting. Oh, let's try this. I don't have enough time for this, but I'm gonna try anyways before I die. Oh, that's not how you do it. Crap. How do you do this? Oh, okay. Oh, no, don't do that. Dang it. I didn't want to do that either, man. I'm so a noob. Soon I'm not going to be able to see anything. That's going to suck. Yeah, that's exciting. Just, I can't see crap. As long as I can get to the crafting table at some point in time. Oh wait, no, I don't want to get up. Stop it! You can't see anything. All you can see is that water. Look at this. Look how crazy this is. I can't see anything. I think my brightness is up too. I'm just gonna... I don't know what I'm gonna do. There we go. I'm just in a hole. I guess yeah, you still can't see anything. Let me see if I can do the brightness. Maybe a setting. Oh, let's see. We'll just move this up and maybe you can see more. Nope. You can't see more at all. I wish I had a torch so you guys can see it. I don't think I turned cheats on either, so I can't like cheat it in real quick either. That sucks. Oh wait, you can sort of see over there. I don't even know what part that is. There's the water. Oh, there's the hole. Look at all the stars. I'm sure we'll see some creepy mobs and I'll probably die. Oh my goodness. Is there something above me? Okay, there's bamboo there. Oh. Oh, I hit the crafting table. There's a bundle there. It's so hard to see. I wish I could fast forward so you guys can see it. But one of the amazing thing about this modpack is the fact that like at night you can only see 2 blocks in front of you. So even if I had a torch, you could only see those 2 blocks in front of you. Like it's crazy. And then there's this really creepy mob that like just stalks you. And like it's insane. But I think I'm going to cut this now, and then I will come back, and then when I have torches, we'll stay the night, and we'll kind of look at everything. So everyone can see anything, because right now you can't really see a whole lot.